Hello, my fellow knights and warriors. Previously, I talked a lot about combat, and in this video, I'm going to give you an extended example of various situations that might occur during combat in Norman Saga. So here you can see a hill with full of warriors fighting against each other. We have Normans attacking some Arabs. So let's go and resolve these attacks to see how all this stuff works. Let's go here. We have Robert charging and Sharif is counter-charging. So Robert has 25 plus 12, so it will be 37, and Sharif has 10, he's counter-charging, so he gets plus 5, so it is 15. 37 versus 15 is 22. So we are moving into the combat against mounted opponents, and 22 brings us here. We need to add plus 1 to our die roll because defender wears armor. So let's make a roll. We got 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 is D. One opponent stunned and dismounted. So Sharif is dismounted. We need to place his empty horse, and now we need his foot counter. Where you are, Sharif? Yeah, it's here, and now we need him on the foot. We are placing him on the adjacent hex, and now he was stunned, so we need to make him... Oh, sorry, wrong counter. Here we have Sharif, and now he is stunned. Alright, so that's fine. Now we have another counter charge and charge here. This is Jul Mario, and Bashir is counter charging him. And here we have a very interesting situation. Notice that due to the charge, Jul Mario will have attack strength of 15, while due to the counter charge, Bashir will have his defense strength to 27. So his defense strength is higher than his attack strength, and due to this fact, roles are reversing and tables are turning, and now Bashir is attacking and he is defending. So we have 27 versus 15. This is 12. So we are moving into the combat table, and we have 12. Jul Mario isn't in armor, so it's 9-12, and we are making a roll. It was 10. So 9-12 is nothing. So situation is not changing. We can delete all these markers. Same goes here. And now next combat is here. Arthur is charging at Abbas. He has 26 plus 13, so it will be 39 versus 7, so it will be 32. Notice we have a Norman javelin thrower here, but he cannot join this battle because when you attack with charge, you have to make this attack with charging unit only. So no help from him. We have 39 versus 7, so it will be 32. We are checking in the combat versus infantry, and he is in armor, so it will be 32. So we need to check this column, and let's make a roll. This is 7 plus 1, it's 8. So it is D. What it stays? D. One defender stunned. So Abbas is stunned. Decrease. If he would be wounded, then he would be dead, but he is not. I do not make advance after combat, etc., because all I need now is to make the combat to show you how to calculate the odds, etc. Now, these two guys are attacking Kamal. They have 12 and 13, so they have 25 versus 5. they can decide if they want to attack together or they want to attack separately. If they will attack together, they get a bonus for their double attack and there will be one column shift. If they will attack all alone, there will be no shift for double attack, but since he's on the slope, they decide that it might be actually a good idea to attack him separately. So he decides to attack first, so he has 12 versus 5. It is 7. He wears no armor. So we need to check. We have 5-8, and now notice that he's on the slope. Slope means minus. So we get one column shift from 5-8 to 9-12. We are making a roll. And this is 10. No good. Nothing. So the other warrior attacks. He has 13 versus 5. So it will be 8. We are going into 5-8. Get +1 because of the terrain. And now let's hope this will be a better roll. Oh, not good. 8. 8 in 9-12 is B. What it says. One attacker retreats 1 hex. Oh my, he's running away. That's bad. Now, he can attack him now. Like I said, they cannot make joint attack, but they can attack separately. So he attacks him now with 8 minus 1. So it is 7. It is 7, but one more important thing. Notice that he is on the slope and he is on the clear terrain. This means that attacker gets negative column shift. There was 5-8 and now it's 0-4 because of the slope and +1 because defender is in armor. We are making a roll and this time it was 1. We got 2, so it's D. D. One defender stunned and he was already stunned. This means he's dead. So you are dead. Now they are attacking Abd Allah together. They are we have 2 warriors attacking a single warrior. So do we have a column shift? Nope. Because he's mounted warrior and they are leg warriors. So no column shift for them. They are making joint attack. So they have 26 versus 10. This is 16. Not bad. 16 versus mounted opponent. It will be 30-20. That's good. But they are on the slope and he is not. So they get 1 column shift on his favor. So it was 26 versus 10. So it was 13-20 and -1, 9-12. Is he in armor? Nope. So it was, let's make a roll. It was 5. 5, it is D. One rider stunned and dismounted. So he's dismounted. And let me check his name. He was Abd Allah. So what kind of armor warrior he was, I don't. Yeah, here he is. His foot, Abd Allah, and he falls there. So let's decrease him to the stunned. And finally we have one more combat to resolve here. So our Norman attacks this Arab. They are both on the scrap. This means that terrain provides no modifier because they are fighting in the same terrain. We have 14 versus 10, so it's 4. We have no modifiers here. So all we need to do is to check a result in the 0-4 and our Arab is in armor. So we will have to add +1. Oh, 10. 10 in 0-4 is nothing. So it wasn't very lucky combat phase for Normans. Well, they managed to kill one Arab and to stun the other. But all in all, I wouldn't say it was very good, although I was able to show you most of the situations that might occur during the combat. So that would be all. for today.